everyone, welcome to health/cooking class. Today we're going to be talking about this fruit, which we find quite often here in Kauai, and I'm excited because this papaya came off one of our trees. So that is really exciting to me if we can grow something in our yard. This papaya is high in vitamin C. We usually don't think about papaya being high in vitamin C. We think about oranges and strawberries, and then we learned about the red bell peppers, but we don't usually think about papaya. So, but this is a very simple, easy thing that I love to do with papayas. We just cut it in half and scrape out the seeds. Papayas are also very high in B vitamins and folate and those type of things that are really good for our nervous system, and they have an enzyme in them that helps our body digest food. If your tummy ever feels, if you eat something that your tummy doesn't like, you can just eat a papaya and it'll help digest your food and make your tummy feel so much better. So this is what we do. I'm just going to scoop out the middle, so the seeds, so there's a nice little bowl. I kind of made a papaya bowl. And we talked about yogurt a while ago, our yogurt. And what I'm going to do with the yogurt is, this is the same yogurt that we put honey in. Do you remember we did yogurt? I just put yogurt in the middle of my papaya. Now, yogurt also has the probiotics in it that helps your tummy also. So if your tummy doesn't feel good, this is something you want to eat. Papaya with yogurt inside. And then I have a banana. This is my last banana. I've got to go back and find the farmer on Now Road so I can buy some more bananas. And I just put some bananas inside my papaya, and I like blueberries. Blueberries are also a superfood that helps build your immune system. And I sprinkle the little berries on top. Of flies today. Get them out here. But anyway, we have this beautiful, it's almost like art, right? Papaya art. It's just papaya with the yogurt, bananas, and blueberries. And it's really yummy. You can eat it for breakfast, you can eat it for dinner, you can eat it for dessert, and your tummy will feel amazing. All right, I'll wipe my hands off, shoo the flies away, and remember, wash your hands and eat healthy. Stay healthy and safe, guys.